Ready? Sammy now shooting.
Ready?
Fire in the hole. Boom! Oh, he shot too low. Now let's wait for Jonathan.
Record it.
Still recording. Still recording from Sammy's.
Oh wait, put on safety.
Safety
Another
first.
shell? Yeah. How many shells are left? That's it. They're pretty loud, dude. You wanna shoot it? You wanna shoot it? Ask your dad if you want to. Let's see. Hurry, it's the last one. Just asking. Huh? Alright then. It's Emmanuel. I'll give my shot to Emmanuel. Look how I'm holding it. Right here. Tight. Don't squeeze it to your pull. Wait, no, not yet.
Squeeze it towards your chest. Like.
Aim in the middle where you can see. Where your joints at, like between your chest and your arm. Ready? Yeah. Go pop it out.
Get out of the way, Jonathan.
Go push it. Ready? When do I shoot? Wait, don't shoot. You're not even standing straight. Stand straight.
You're gonna go like fall back.
Boom. Put it back. Hit the target at least. I'm scared. Go. It's all safety. Watch out. I'm still scared. Just push it.
Just click the button.
Don't hold your finger while you're putting it down.
Come on.
What if I fall back?
I got you.
You're not gonna fall
What's going
back.
back? Don't worry, there's already a helicopter around us.
You got it.